What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into my channel and having a listen today. For those of you returning to the channel, I want to thank you for your support, and for those of you new to the channel, I'd like to thank you for giving me the opportunity. I'm going to go ahead and roll that intro, and Ms. Deuce and I will get back to you and let you know what today's topic is. For those of you returning to the channel, y'all have seen Ms. Deuce in her 2019 Harley Davidson Lowrider. For those of you new to the channel, I'd like to introduce to you my lovely girlfriend. She's out with us today. We have an impromptu topic for you guys. We're going to go ahead and talk about our favorite places to go out and eat. Alright, so how this is going to work, I'm going to get 5 guesses. I need to get 3 out of 5 right to win. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how well I know Ms. Deuce. This is going to be a really fun topic. For those of you who follow the channel on Instagram would know that it was our 2-year anniversary recently. Now how this is going to work is after I make a guess, Ms. Deuce is going to respond with either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Loser pays for our next dinner out. Alright, so on to today's first guess. I'm gonna go ahead with an easy one. This should be a underhand toss, granny bowling style win for me. Strike! We shall see. My first guess is gonna be sushi. What place? Okay, Old Town Sushi in San Mateo. There's a thumbs up. So we're 1 for 1. Can we go 2 for 2? We're gonna find out here with the next guest coming. I'm gonna swing over to another trusty safe bet. I'm gonna go ahead and say Burger King. For those of you tuning in, I want you to comment down below and give your best guess as to what Ms. Deuce's go-to is at Burger King. What's her order, guys? To add on to guessing Ms. Deuce's order, if you guys correctly guess her order, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a prize. I will reach out to you directly and see what I can send you as a prize. Alright, so we went 2 for 2, but I'm not feeling so confident about this third guess because, to be honest with you, we don't even really eat out that often. We usually eat in. We usually eat in because we got 3 little puppercinis at home. We're dog lovers in this family, and we have 3 different kind of types of cattle herding dogs. So we like to be at home with them. We'd rather spend our time with them than our time out and about at restaurants. Ms. Deuce loves to cook and bake and all that kind of stuff. The kitchen is our home. I've been banned from it. So with my third guess, I'm gonna go with man, I really don't know. I'm gonna go with In-N-Out. What is that? That wasn't part of the rule. Since when is a shaky hand wave a freaking answer? I thought we had discussed that it was thumbs up or thumbs down. Top 5 but not top 3. That means I won. I just have to get 3 of my 5 guesses right. Alright, well, Ms. Deuce decided to change the rules, so we missed on the third guess. Apparently, I have 5 guesses to pick her top 3. Ms. Deuce, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna guess the Indian place that we Uber Eats from. Alright, so that's a bust. I could have swore that's what it was. That's probably more mine, though. I really, really, really like chicken tikka masala. I'm kind of hungry for it, that's why I guessed it, actually. It was a safe guess, but just not close. So, we're 2 for 4 now. Things aren't looking good for the home team. I might have to pony up some dough here. but I'm feeling pretty good about my last guess. I'm only feeling good about it because I don't know. Honestly, I really don't know. I don't know why I feel good about it. I feel good about it because we both like it. That's how I felt last time. So now I'm getting nervous again. I'm just gonna go ahead and send it. Ms. Deuce, with my 5th and final guess, is your 3rd favorite restaurant to eat at in the Bay Area Windy City Pizza in San Mateo? What? That is bullshit. That's your favorite place in the world to eat, hands down. How did Burger King make it on the list above Windy City Pizza? See, this is what happens when I play games with Ms. Deuce. She changes the rules in the middle of the game so that she doesn't have to lose. She wants to try and talk in my ear and tell me that her other favorite place to go is Steelhead Brewery in San Mateo, which, don't get me wrong, we love Steelhead, but we love Steelhead for their beer. We don't love them for their food. I wasn't asking questions of, hey, Ms. Deuce, where's your favorite place to go drink a beer? No. Ms. Deuce is talking about how the nachos there are her favorite thing in the world, which I understand. She loves nachos, but she loves any good nacho. It's not like Steelhead is something special. They're special because the nachos come with a glorious, freshly brewed beer. I might not even post this video because I'm so upset that I got manipulated like that, but that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here, guys. I want to thank you for tuning in. For those of you returning to the channel, I really appreciate your support. Please leave a comment. Let me know how you feel the direction of the channel is going. If you liked this content, please go ahead and give a thumbs up. And until next time, stay filthy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.